In front of me is CUBOT King Kong 6, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on gear icon on the left. Then operate all of those options and go back. Now to start recording, you need to use red button at the bottom in the middle. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, unpause your recording and click on the left one. And to end it and save it, on the right one. Now, when your recorder is off, you can access list of all your recordings by clicking on this button with 3 lines. To play one of them, click on it. To rename it, hold it, use those 3 dots and hit rename option. Then save its name by hitting save. And to get rid of it, hold it as well, but this time use bin icon. And confirm your choice by tapping allow. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!